Okay, hello, good afternoon. My name is Joseph. Me just like for giving him our testimony about him. This wala powerful herbal medicine, pharmacy. Me karang wala siki where okatondo find him out really hospital, but one fala siki where me experience him now him. Every day time me kakai after every food that me take him in, me must vomit every day. I think just this year, somewhere around August or September or some, I think me not really think him. Me just doing one fella survey interview, and Okata just giving me certain people for me doing the interview. Doing the interview la Okata, so me come across him na this fella powerful herbal medicine store, and me asking him for me like him now one for medicine, so me explain him now how me sabe sicky and me feel also no body blow me, but then me asking him one time that me like for pay him this whole medicine, so me drink him now this whole medicine. I think just one cup blooming, just like this one, yeah. One for a cup, half load, this whole cup and full something like that. Just a first dose blooming, me feeling that me bar feel good now, and from that day, me no have experienced him any vomiting after every food. So this time me bar feel better. Me gaining back weight la body me before me para was sick in no good too much and lost weight la body, but now me enjoy now alive me sabe do motowaka, me drive and everything, also me experience him the body me no feel him now. So okata say maybe you got him na gastric, me sabe call him ulcer, him sabe a little bit serious little bit me. So this time after me take him now powerful herbal medicine, me no experience him now that fala feeling, and me no sabe vomit now, and yeah, so me barang thinking too much na powerful herbal medicine for support in a way where providing no medicines for people. I think one thing when me look like him barawa helpful na is like God him use him now other people for providing no a remedy for supporting people who are got sick here. Especially me look lo that fella powerful herbal medicine bara really help him now me, and because how me look him, God created him every plant and those things for helping you me too, yeah. So me bara thinking too much na powerful herbal medicine for helping me lo side lo medicine, so me bara this time me feel better than before. So thank you too much powerful herbal medicine for support blue and helping me fella no for sabe taking me out the medicine for supporting now help me fella. So me recommend him if you sick, please do visit now powerful herbal medicine on the current page inside lo Facebook. So please, if you got any issues lo sick lo body, me sabe that you got heart problem, kidney problem, liver problem, or any sort of sicky where you got no health lo body blue, please do visit powerful herbal medicine. Bam sabe helping you, and yeah, but you looking at changes where bam happen if you take another for medicine. So thank you too much everyone for watch, and thank you to powerful herbal medicine.